Hi, when was the last time you sharpened your knives? Was it the last time I posted a video about it? I'm sharpening my knives today. I want to show the newbies how I do it and how easy it is. When your knives are nice and sharp, then you run less of a risk of cutting yourself in the kitchen because you put less pressure on your blade. When your knives are dull, you're going to have to put more pressure on what you're doing, and that's when you really run the risk of cutting yourself. So I'm using just a regular knife sharpener. This one is made by Wusthof. I'm a fan of their knives as well. And this has a coarse side and a fine side. You can see that there are two ceramic rods in here. So I'm going to run it through the coarse side first and the fine side next. You can also find a great knife cutter at any of the other kitchen stores like Williams-Sonoma, or even IKEA has a great kitchen knife sharpener. So this is how we do it. You don't want to be sharpening your knives without something underneath of it. And you don't want to be sharpening your knives out here like this, because when you bring your knife through, you're going to go bump on your countertop and you're going to ruin your counter. So put it on something solid, bring it right to the edge of your countertop. Because that way, when I draw my knife through, it's going to hit nothing. So I'll do it through the coarse side first. I'm going to run it through maybe 4 or 5 times. Put a little bit of pressure on it. And then I'm going to go through to the fine side. And that just finishes it off. And that's it. Then wipe it off on your kitchen towel. That cleans any of the burrs off of it. I'll show you one more time, just with my paring knife, through the coarse side first. See what I mean when I bring my knife through? There's nothing here stopping it, it goes straight through. Okay, then I finish it off on the fine side. That's it. I get asked a lot of questions about my kitchen knives. I'm going to post a link below for you on the kinds of knives that I use and what I use them for. And I hope that you have learned something from this video. Sharpen your knives. Your kitchen work will be a whole lot easier and faster. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.